I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a pet teeth cleaning set. How about that? This is from the company Dent, and it looks like it's good for cats and dogs. And let's just kind of like go over it here. It's got the soft for sensitive teeth, comfort, regular cleaning, standard, strong, super strong. I guess that's the settings on the side of it there. You can see how it's got, how you clean up the kind of the plaque that builds up on dogs' teeth here. It's got the intelligent high vibration, superior alloy steel, integrated body, 6-block strength adjustment, relaxing, IPX. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open it up, see what we get with this thing. So taking out of the package here, well, it looks like this is everything right here. I don't see any instructions with it. Do you see? Oh, there we go. There we go. A little bit of tooth cleaning instrument instructions right there. So let's go over what this thing is. It looks like it's a USB-C charging. So open it up. This is the unit itself. And to charge it, yep, down on the bottom right there is where you're going to charge it. To turn it on, you're going to turn it on just like that. Okay. We'll come back to that. A small little toothbrush with a large on the front and small on the back there. So they're calling this just kind of like the mouth mirror, the spanner. It looks like, oh, that's got to be a cover. Yep, that's basically a cover that goes on it right there. Here's the actual piece that goes on it. Oh, look at that little tiny wrench. That's the tiniest spanner I've ever seen. That is a tiny wrench. And here's the cleaners. So it looks like what the cleaner does, it basically oscillates like that. Very small. You get 2 types of cleaning picks right here. I'll put the larger one on. That's the one I'm going to put on. Looks like you get some tweezers. Let's open this up and see what we get in here. So with this, that's a small little dental pick. I see that little dental pick, some tweezers, and another little dental scraper right there. And that must be just to kind of put on your finger and rub the dog's or cat's tooth. So here's what it is. You can see you get this little end right here, put that on it, and then you're just going to run along the edge of the teeth. Just run along the edge, in between, and up and down. Yeah, it looks fairly simple to put together. Let's go ahead and see if we can put this on here. So I'm going to put like the medium size one on there, or I think we get 2. Looks like you get a smaller one and a larger one. Then you get your little spanner, or open end wrench as I would call it. And there it is. That is on there. Now let's see, how does this thing work? You're basically just going to hold down this for 2 seconds. The light will come on, and you can see the lights are on the front there. And I've got it on clean. You can go to descale, massage, polish, nurse, skin whitening, clean. Let's put it on clean. And then this right here was what you'll use to scrub the gums. So let me go ahead, bring my little dog over, and we'll go ahead and use him as the guinea pig for this. He loves it when I do this. So let's bring him over now. I don't know how well you can see his teeth. There is a little bit of tartar built up on there like that. Let me go ahead and rub this. As soon as it touches the teeth, you can hear the little bit of sound right there. Hold still. Oh, wow, that's working really good, everybody. I don't know how well you can see in the camera there. Oh, don't you try to get away. This looks like something that's going to take him a little getting used to, but it seemed to work. I think it works. I got a little bit of plaque off, and you know what? Even Mally came over and wanted in on this. So now we'll take the little toothbrush, brush it up a little bit right there. That tooth definitely got cleaner right there. Anyone that's got a dog where they want to kind of get the plaque off their teeth, whether it's a little little runt dog like this, you know what, this is Mally, she's next, or like Remo here. I think he'll get used to it a little more once I use it on him some more, but I think the combination of the toothbrush and using this thing here and there will definitely keep those front kind of canine's teeth nice and clean. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on, you know, the ultrasonic toothbrush for dogs and cats. See you on the next video.